What's up, everybody?
Hey guys!
Welcome to Let's Play RC, and today we are sharing some must-have accessories for drones.
That's right. So a little while back we bought our first drone, the DJI Mavic Air. We did an unboxing and we'll put a card right here in this corner. And since then we found out there's a few accessories we think that you need to have. So we're going to share those accessories with you coming up.
Okay, so we have a landing pad here. The importance of this is for a clean surface to land, that way you're not getting dust and all that up in your parts. Another good part about this is if you're out in public, it is good to let people know where you're landing.
Realistically, if you're in a populated area, you should actually have little pylons just to show people so they're not walking under and getting hit by your drone. That's... Excuse me. And also, as we mentioned in our unboxing, guys, drone laws are different everywhere. Check your local laws and regulations. Don't get your drone taken away or get fined or any of that kind of bad news. So,
yeah.
Right?
Anyway, let's take a look at this landing pad here.
So it comes in a nice little bag. That's cool. Whoa! All right.
That popped out.
So there's your landing pad.
That's scary.
So you got a blue side for if you're on... Oh, hold on. Okay, so you have an orange side for when you're on... Okay, so basically it's two colors to contrast with the ground. So if you put that on our desk, it's not very visible, but if you put the orange side up, then you're going to see it. So basically, yeah, I wouldn't put the orange side up on sand. The blue side would show a lot better on sand. The orange side would show a lot better on grass and stuff, right? Okay.
And we got some red, like...
reflective stickers that go around here so that if you're using it at night, right? And then pegs to peg it into the ground. So. Okay. And like Dylan said, the main purpose of a landing pad is to have a clean surface to land your drone on. Because as those propellers are spinning, they're kicking up all the small particles of dirt, dust, and that kind of stuff.
Because they get going fast.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing, we got a Freewell sun shield. Now, we'll leave links in the description below for all this stuff.
Including the landing pad.
That's right. But I know that when we're flying in the sun, you can't see your phone screen because of the sun reflecting off of it. So this is going to go on here.
Just like so.
So yeah, of course I'll go over the details on this particular accessory a little more once I attach it and show you guys exactly how it works. I mean, the straps go around the phone, and here there's Velcro and clips, and then there's a neck thing here. So once it's all together, it'll look something like that. So you can see in here, the sun will be shaded out by the box. You can still work all your things. It's got a little hole in the back so that you can still get to your phone for all the touch screen stuff on your monitor. So that's basically the unboxing of a couple of the accessories we believe that you need for a drone. So we're going to use this stuff and then we'll actually do a review and tell you how it worked out. What is the quality of these things? Well, I don't know because I haven't used them yet, right? So once we actually use them, we will do a review video and let you know what we think about these particular products.
Yep.
If you want to do some research on your own, go ahead. And like I said, we'll leave links in the description below. So that's it for today, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so until next time,
get out and play.
See you
Bye-bye.
later.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, guys.
Welcome to Let's Play RC. And today, we will be showing
I was just moving my hands.
Okay.
So I didn't look like a robot. Just sitting here like this. I was just moving, right? Like you move all the time when I'm talking. I don't stop talking. Okay, here we go. Do it again. I think when you open this, it goes poo. So I was thinking you could like poof it in front of you. Do you know what I mean? Like it's spring loaded. Right? So see what I mean?
That gave me a heart.
Wasn't that awesome? So you can go.
I like that.
Do you want to do that? Hey?
I like that idea.
Okay.
I usually use the orange side.
Holy son of a gun! Right? You can do that?
Yeah,
Okay. Where's the bag?
I like that.
So a little while back, we got our first drone, the DJI Mavic Pro.
Dad, one thing. I thought it was a Mavic Air.
It is. Did I say Mavic Pro?
Yeah.
Oh, blue ring. Yeah. Go. You gotta hold it up, right? So that it goes.
I don't know how that folds back up.
Then you
I don't
just
wanna
take
hold
it
it.
and you twist it.
Right.
Just like that, and then you hold it here again. Boom!
What was that screaming for? Are you guys okay?
Yeah, Dylan's freaking out because this thing.
It sounded like it was you yelling.
I was yelling at him because it was funny.
Watch. It's scared.
It doesn't scare me.
Are you guys
first
like
time we do.
recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it recorded
Not
the
for
first?
No.
Did it record your first
Reaction?
reactions? Okay, I'd like to see it. Don't delete it
Okay.
when you got
Okay, buddy.